Welcome back. Gram Sabhas in Kurka, Rumdamor and Banauli witnessed chaos on Sunday. People of Kurka are agitated with the panchayat for granting permission to an illegal construction. Sarpanch of Rumdamor, Daurli, has warned to act tough against encroachments in the residential areas, while Banauli villagers claim huge revenue loss due to staff crunch in panchayat. Have a look.
You are the society member now. You ask him to mind his language. Ask him to mind his language.
People in Kurka are agitated with a project coming up in the area. They claim it to be illegal. People raise questions in Gram Sabha seeking to know how the permission was granted to an illegal project.
तुमचं काय तुम्ही लायसन दिलं म्हणून सुटले काय म्हणता 11 मेंबरांक काहीच लागना ना कसलो फायदो कसलो तुमका निवडून हाडून लोकांनी इनलिगली चलता डिफॉरेस्टेशन चलता तुम्ही लायसन दिता सुशेगाद तो म्हणटा आपण लायसन हांव तेका ब्लेम करना भगत सिंगा तुमकां ब्लेम करता तुम्ही लायसन दिले कशे तेका
टेक्निकल आतां पळय सगळें टेस्ट करून हाडटा आमी जस्ट आमचे सगळे आमी व्हेरीफाय करून डॉक्युमेंट्स आमी लायसन इश्यू करता आतां बेस्ड ऑन कितें प्रॉब्लम आहा तेणी पयलीं आमकां तेणी आपणें स्टेप घेवंक जाय टीसीबी सो मागीर ते फुडल्यान आमकां धाडटा फायल न्हू सो व्हेरीफाय
सर्वे करच्या पयलींच लायसन येता तुमच्या
ना आरोप हो तेंचो फॉल्स आहा म्हाका दिसना आमी सगळे आमचे डॉक्युमेंट्स व्हेरीफाय केल्या बरोबर आमी लायसन्स कोणाक दिना.
On the other side, Sarpanch of Rumdamol Davulni has hinted at zero tolerance to encroachments in residential areas. However, ground plus one structures in the area will be regularized.
गरीब लोकांक लागून आमी हावसिंग बोर्डाचो एक प्रपोजल आशिल्लो की फ्लॅट्सां बांदपा लागून तेंचो प्रपोजल आशिल्लो ते आमी तांकां पास करून दिले गरिबांक कोणाक एक बरें घर मेळचें म्हणून तांकां आमी सपोर्ट हें केला हेल्प केला आनी ते हितून तेंच्यांनी ती हावसिंग बोर्डाचे हावसिंग बोर्ड फ्लॅटां येतरी तांकां दिवपाचें आनी पंचायतीन एक रेजोल्युशन घालून दिलां लायसन्साचें कितें म्हणून 30% रिजर्व आमच्या लोकलांक दिवपाचें म्हणून.
Banauli Gram Sabha on Sunday got furious on lack of staff in the panchayat. They claim a huge revenue loss as the staff is not performing. Members will take up the issue to the Chief Minister.
Primary thing is because we don't have a full-time secretary. A secretary who is appointed here, Mr. Paresh Rane, is there only for twice a week. It's just on a Wednesday and a Friday. Besides, the staff who is there in a panchayat has to comply to whatever directions have been given to them. So if the backhand is weak and they are not following the instructions given to us, and after 1 month after meetings they are complying to orders which are stated there, definitely there is a lot of backlog.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Theatre festivals in Goa strengthen the eternal bond of Goans. Governor of the state Bharatveer Vanchu expressed his views while inaugurating Chaturang Theatre Festival in Panji. It was inaugurated on Saturday. Major attraction of the festival was film and theatre artist Paresh Rawal.
Governor B.V. Vanchu inaugurated Chaturang Theatre Festival in Kala Academy, Panaji on Saturday. The festival this year is dedicated to versatile theatre artist late Surya Wagh.
Festivals like this also create an environment for the emotional, cultural and intellectual integration of the people of Goa. It affords an opportunity to strengthen the fraternal bonds among the people. I hope that this festival will promote in every one of us a sense of togetherness, understanding and amity, so that our cherished social, cultural and spiritual values are not only preserved but also perpetuated.
The major attraction of the festival was the film and theatre artist Paresh Rawal. He was felicitated by the governor.
45 सेकंड में 5 सेकंड अभी भी मेरे पास है. हमारे पास है परेश रावल जी, शाल हमारे पास है, श्रीफल हमारे पास है, सम्मान हमारे पास है, पुष्पगुच्छ हमारे पास है. आपके पास क्या है? आपके पास
Omkar Falari for Prudent.
For the first time, Taligaon boys organized a coconut breaking contest in their village. This is Goa's rarest event, mostly held in villages. The young boys get together to show off their strength. Not just strength, it needs a real skill to break coconut in a single shot. Watch these visuals from Devendra Gaonkar on coconut breaking. With this, we conclude this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.